Hey guys, this is Brittney with Susquehanna Valley Harley-Davidson. Welcome back. We've been giving you a virtual tour of all of our motorcycles that we currently have in stock that are available for test rides and purchase. Today I wanted to introduce you to the 2020 Tri-Glide in Spruce, the total touring package with timeless style. You can take the stress out of your ride knowing you're equipped from factory with traction control options, adjustable preload suspension located under your seat, parking brake to make sure you're not slipping down those hills, and electric reverse for easy backing into the garage. Feel free to chase those horizons with a precision liquid cooled heads that runs into the Milwaukee 814 cubic inch engine. Want to clear your mind on those coast-to-coast trips? Harley-Davidson has equipped you with the new BOOM GTS systems, including GPS, trip planners, Bluetooth, and communication.
The route is being calculated.
You'll have no worries for packing those bags with your 6.8 cubic feet of storage in your Tour Pak and your trunk. Always feel free with customizations. Always feel free to add your luggage rack, handlebars, highway pegs, adjustable rider backrest for the ultimate touring and comfort experience. If you want to check out this ride or maybe take it for a spin, definitely give me a call here at the dealership at 717-810-1993 or visit this bike and a couple other units that I have in stock at www.svhd.com.